How to download YouTube on a Xiaomi TV. Downloading YouTube on a Xiaomi TV is straightforward since most Xiaomi TVs run on Android TV or Patchwall OS, which supports the Google Play Store. Follow these steps to install YouTube. Step 1. Connect Xiaomi TV to the internet. Ensure your Xiaomi TV is connected to a stable internet connection. Go to Settings Network Wi-Fi or Ethernet and connect to your network. Step 2. Open the Google Play Store. Press the Home button on your Xiaomi TV remote. Navigate to and select the Google Play Store from the menu. Step 3. Search for YouTube. In the Play Store, go to the search bar at the top. Use the on-screen keyboard or voice input, if supported, to search for YouTube. Step 4. Install YouTube. Select the YouTube app from the search results. Click Install and wait for the app to download and install. Step 5. Open the YouTube app. After installation, select Open to launch YouTube immediately. Alternatively, return to the home screen, navigate to the Apps section, and select YouTube from the list. Step 6. Sign in to YouTube. Open the YouTube app and follow the on-screen instructions to sign in. Enter your Google account details directly. Alternatively, visit youtube.com/activate on your phone or computer and enter the activation code displayed on your TV. Step 7. Add a YouTube shortcut to home screen optional. If your Xiaomi TV supports shortcuts, you can pin YouTube to the home screen for easy access. Highlight the YouTube app, press and hold the OK button, and follow the prompt to add it to your favorites. Now, YouTube is installed and ready to use on your Xiaomi TV, letting you stream your favorite content seamlessly.